Hey everyone, are you searching for a healthier oil-free way to enjoy crispy fried potatoes? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to make delicious and crunchy fried potatoes. Get ready to take notes and let's start cooking. To start, we'll need 5 potatoes. You can adjust the amount of potatoes based on how many you'd like to make. Slice the potatoes into round pieces, after determining the desired quantity. Cut the potatoes into rectangular pieces. Place the potatoes in a large mixing bowl. Fill the bowl with water. Making sure to add 3 tablespoons of vinegar to the water. Soak the potatoes in the water and vinegar mixture for 15 minutes. After filtering the water, to remove the excess water from the potatoes, use a towel or paper to pat them dry. After drying the potatoes, add 2 tablespoons of starch flour to them. Mix the potatoes and starch flour thoroughly. Begin by heating the oil, then add the potatoes gradually to the hot oil. Cook the potatoes for 5 minutes and stir them periodically after that time has passed. Once the potatoes have become firm, remove them from the oil. And there you have it, a simple and delicious recipe for crispy fried potatoes using oil. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.